Hi, everybody. Thought I'd give you a quick little video tonight and discuss something that's come up. And so this is a bit of a preemptive strike before a lot of you end up sending me emails. The issue is with our LED. Now, the first problem that we're having is that trying to bring it in, you'll notice that we can't really bring in a step file with this particular piece of CAD. But it's okay to bring in an IGES file. So IGES and STEP are both very easy to bring in. You follow the same procedure, no problem. But the issue that's going to arise is when people go to start manipulating this. Now, you'll notice that if I hover over this, it is a block, and we have two pieces of the block. There's the LED and the holder, and that's the way it's kind of put together, and that's okay. But what we want to do is we want to actually go in and modify this, say, so that the lens is yellow, like in our part. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to burst the LED, and you'll notice now, though, that instead of being solids, it's a surface, and that's okay because this is just a placeholder. Right? We can actually work with our surfaces, and I know that I've told you that the proper way to change the color of a part is to create a new layer and make sure that you set it so that it's by layer and et cetera, et cetera. But again, this is a placeholder. So what I want to do is I want to use either the properties menu here or the quick properties, so QP. And what we can do is we can actually change the color of just these surfaces. All right. And so now we've got a group here and we've got some surfaces, and that's all fine and dandy. But rather than have this mess of parts all floating around, what we want to do is we want to join them into one feature. And I don't necessarily want to create a block again. And so the new command for you is a group. And so here we go. If I group all these parts, and I'll grab all of them, you'll notice now that it is still comes up that these are surface, but this whole thing becomes an entity, a single entity that we can manipulate and move around and uh, treat as a single piece, even though it's just a conglomeration of parts. All right, and so here we go. I'm going to let's do realistic on this. And so there you go, a nice yellow LED that we can take and align with our hole in our capstone project. All right, I hope this helps. I hope everybody's doing well with the project. It is due end of day tomorrow, so I see from the web traffic there's quite a few people working on it. That's fantastic. I am here. I'm more than willing to answer questions as I can, and if you get me a video or a request, I can post one of these quick little videos for you as quickly as possible. All right, thanks. I hope this helps, and have yourself a good day. All right, bye now.